Welcome to my Skybits show, the Skybits show, TA with me. And since this is my first show, I wanted to introduce myself and tell you about the things that I'm going to tell you about what we can do in this crazy, crazy market. One of the things is that the market is ever changing. It's just like a living organism, or like the English language, if you would like to say. It changes from one day to the next day. We have slang and not slang, right? So to get started, I wanted to tell you guys about the platform, but because Bitcoin kind of took a big pullback, actually it's not even really a huge pullback, but if you're new to the space, this kind of pullback may seem a little bit abnormal, and I'm going to tell you that it's perfectly normal. In fact, this is the high it made earlier today, and we're looking at something, it's not even a 10% pullback. We're still in a bull market. We're not in a bear market yet. so, so one of the things that happened today is basically we just had so much. We had a bit of leverage, but I wanted to show you guys this. Okay, so I want to talk about this one here. This is the fear and greed index. If you guys aren't familiar, I'm gonna actually have this dropped in the description. And what it is that the fear index got a little bit too hot. In fact, yesterday, if you looked yesterday, it hit 84. So you know, when there's extreme greed, it's a predictable indicator that we'll see some type of pullback. So I wanted to show that to you guys. You know, another possible not possible reason for it, but also if you guys aren't familiar, inflation has hit it a high today. Today, yes, about yesterday or so. We are at, when I say we, I'm talking about the Americans. Americans are at a 6.2 inflation. So this could have been, this is kind of a big shock, especially when we're supposed to be at 2%. So, you know, just a little bit of clarity. You know, if we look back in January, you could see that we're only at 1.4. Okay, so this was for February, and this is March, 1.7, and 2.6 for April, 4.2 for May, and it's just 555 until this month in November we got 6.2 inflation. So this was a big shock a little bit because we're supposed to be at 2, again 2 because it's transitory, but you know, that depends on how much you guys like trust the government and so forth. So it was a combination of factors, and another thing happened was that there was a real estate development group that was supposedly may have that may actually default on some loans, but that turned out, I believe this is fake news, or FUD, FUD, like fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So I just wanted to like point this out. If you're new, don't freak out when the market does like a small flush like this. It's not. You know, since this is such it's a little bit awkward because I wanted to show you guys a green day and it's a red day, so I can't control what happens. So never try to predict. Just always manage your risk. Yeah. Another advice I could tell you is don't follow this guy. This guy will lead you through the rabbit hole. Don't follow celebrities. I'm not a celebrity, so you don't you don't have to follow me either. But don't follow celebrities, Kim Kardashian or keeping up with the Oz's or something. You know, there's a lot of FUD going around and so forth. And so I wanted to go ahead show you show you the Gate platform and how we can use this, especially if you're new, easy, get this going. So yes, we're down. I was like, oh my god, I really wanted to show you guys again that nice green day, but now I'm on a red day. Way to start your show, Sky. um, so with this, you know, I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with Bitcoin dominance. We got Bitcoin dominance trying to creep up, and then we get smashed in the face, of course. So I want to tell you about this platform first because I'm going to use Gate, but not just because I'm using Gate. Gate is kind of home to a lot of the altcoins. So because I like using Gate, Gate is a good place to get in before another exchange lists it. And I can go over that in the next show if you like, in the next show. But for now, I want to go ahead and just introduce you to myself and the platform. So here we are. We're looking at Bitcoin. We're still in good momentum with Bitcoin because there's still value. There's still value. We're not. I don't believe we're at some type of blow off top. So so you're probably wondering, like, okay, she's telling me this. So here we go. So we use this platform. In order to use this platform, it'd be very helpful to get the max amount of benefit by using this. The benefits that's in this platform. For example, people don't know this, but you can they have this button right here on the side. It's a white kind of like triangle. So you use this button, you could use it. You want to use these trend lines, horizontal arrays, vertical lines, and parallel channels. If you haven't noticed, I have them on my favorite list, and it's just right here. So like I'm just telling you, you can do this. You could highlight which one are your favorites, but for the purpose of this show, and for myself, I actually use these tools quite often. Another tool that I like to use is the Fibonacci retracement. That I can cover that in another video. And then here's kind of like the brush. The brush is kind of like this. Let's see. The brush goes like this. Trend lines do this. Right. So you want to familiarize yourself with the tools that are integrated with the platform. So this way you can have better choice decisions and put in a limit or a buy order to help you trade better in the market. And we also have the text tool. I don't really use the text tool, but you may find it useful. I think it's a little, you don't need the text tool too much, but it's nice. It's a nice tool. Another thing is maybe you want to be creative and show this off to your friends. You could have drawings, and it's not just one drawing. You have several drawings that you can use. And the most important, my favorite tool, well, no, I don't want to say my favorite tool, but of all of them is actually the ruler. As you can see, you can easily go to the top, go to the bottom, and it tells you the percentage. This okay. Now if you want to delete everything, you go to this. It removes all your drawings. It removes all the drawings that you made on your chart. So, so the key to this is having a clean chart, so that way you can understand what is going on, because the market has three cycles. That's the bull market, the consolidation, and the bear market, right? So right now we're kind of in we're in a bull market, but we're consolidating in the bull market, if that makes sense. We're not like consolidating and it's in the bear market. So, but we're in consolidation. It's just like a short consolidation. It's not like it doesn't seem to be like a long consolidation as it was a few months ago. So by having these tools, you know, you can see these tools helps you gauges your style. You can customize it by selecting the favorite menu, by, you know, making it like your favorite right here. You are given this, and this is the menu, and you could use that whenever you want. So like that. And then there's raise if you want, horizontal raise, and then channels. Right? So we're doing okay. We're doing okay on what's going on with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is actually kind of behaving normal. There's no reason to panic. In fact, if you guys are into the opportunity, one of my favorite coins is actually on sale. So I want to talk about having a shopping list. If you guys, I don't know if there's guys or girls watching this, but girls are good shoppers, and girls know when there's a bargain. So think of it like this: every time Bitcoin takes a dip, have a shopping list of coins, like a shopping list, like a list of coins that you want to have that you can scoop up. So that is one of the great opportunities that's happened right now because the market fell. So one of my favorite coins that fell was actually, I don't know what's going on with this. Oh, okay. Get out of this. Oh, that was a fail. That was a fail. But Dot was one of my favorites. Another one was Cardano. If you guys are into Cardano kind of took us like a small dip, but I already bought it at like 198-ish, so I don't, I'm already holding on to it. What should I have sold it at 130? But what I'm trying to say is that you get these opportunities and you can buy and sell them. So what we can do is here, this is the advantage by using the tools. See how we have this? This is Cardano when it was at a high. And it just did nothing, right? So it's at a high, yeah, at a high. And it was just doing nothing. It was just consolidating. And it consolidated for months. Consolidating for a long time, and then it broke out of this trend. So I want to teach you guys how to use these drawing tools so that you won't really need me if you know how to use them. But I still think this is a useful skill set to develop. Whether you're new or whether you're advanced, this is still something for you. I like using the EMA. I can explain that in another video or in a different show, but not today's show. I just want to introduce you to these tools that Gate has integrated into their platform. Um, another thing, another of my favorite coins. Actually have it right here. Some of my favorite coins. I always look at the like low, and this goes back to going shopping. I always like to look at coins that are low or it looks like it's on discount or on sale. There we go. It's on sale, right? So we're looking at coins that are on sale. This has been going down. So again, we can go back to our drawing tools, going down. Nothing exciting, right? So this is just going on a downward trend. We don't need to, we can just move on, right? Let's see, but this one, here we go, Ergo has broken trend. So this is an example of tools that you can learn to use. See how that goes? It's broken trend, right? It's broken trend, and then it's gone. Now it's, since it broke out of this trend, I can see this maybe just having a slow build up to go up. ERG, that's an altcoin that I am actually holding. I'm not telling you to go buy it, but I'm just wanted to tell you some of my favorite coins too. This one is just choppy. So I would advise not to buy this at this point. If you guys are into the metaverse, I believe Koti is one of them. If you guys know about layer scaling, this is Harmony. Harmony does layer 2 scaling. If you guys are into blockchains and NFTs, when I say blockchains and NFTs, I'm talking about this one specifically. How this, I like Arweave because Arweave is working with Solana, for example. It's working with Solana, and anything recorded on the Arweave blockchain is recorded forever. So like that's kind of, that's some of the blockchains, they just like kind of, if it gets too dusty, they kind of just like shoo go away. So that's food for thought. I don't know, maybe there's some Shibu fans out there. If you guys are into Shibu, this looks like not too bad of an opportunity. We can use our little, I'm going to use the parallel. The parallel right here. Parallel channel. And look at that. It hits the bottom. And we can see that. All right. So this is a beautiful channel. If you wanted to actually, I'm not really into Shibu, but I know that there's a whole community of people out there. I'm just letting you know, you're actually kind of on the lower end, not like lower end, but like you're on the bottom range of a channel. So this is not really a bad opportunity to buy. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, nor am I advise, not just advisor, but you know, I'm just letting you know, I'm not an advisor, financial advisor. So but I do this purely for just entertainment, and I have people on my team that's going to give me a disclaimer banner later on, but I'm letting you know, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. But like, if you guys are into trying to buy something that's on the lower end of a range, like, or in a channel, I'm letting you know right now, Shibu is at the lower end. It's in a nice, beautiful uptrend and so forth. So if you are into that, that is not a bad bad range to get in. See, you can use these tools. Let's see. I think it's this one. No? No. Okay. Here. Use this. Okay, that's not very pretty, but still. All right, you figure. Yeah. And right there. See? And that could be like your little buy zone. And you could sell. You could sell around. You sell around here at this range. So just letting you know, it's like you use these channels. It kind of helps you to determine a buy and sell kind of range. So like for what I'm saying, like this is you're at a very good spot to buy, and then you could sell it up here if you wanted to. Yeah, who knows? Who knows? Shiba is actually the biggest gainer of this year, of the year. It's the biggest gainer. It went up what, 10x or something like that. It's huge. Let's go ahead and try DOT one more time. There we go. There we, oh, okay. That is, we're having a little glitch there. Oh, BNB. If you guys are into the Binance Smart Chain, right, for truly decentralized using dApps and stuff, Binance Chain still good coin. It took a kind of a hard hit this morning. A lot of people just sold, just panic selling. There's no reason you don't panic sell. But what you can do is you can control your risk. So I can go over, I'll tell you about risk in another video, but I'm just letting you know, like Bitcoin just fell for actually just almost no reason other than leverage. So with panic comes opportunity. So, you know, so what I want you guys to think about as I'm going forward with these mini series is that, you know, especially if you're new, this is very important. You cannot grab opportunity if you're holding on to a grudge. So if you lost previously, it's gonna be hard for you to grab opportunity. So what I'm trying to tell you is try to release, like if you have a painful past, it's time to let that go, because I'm telling you right now, we're in the most wonderful bull market I've ever seen. And when I say I've ever seen, it's not, for example, Facebook, now the metaverse, Apple, Tesla, MicroStrategy, these are all big players who have decided, who are going to help, not just say that they bought Bitcoin, but this, we're talking about mass adoption. Reddit also came out and said they're going to convert their karma points for crypto or something like that. So there's just like, this is all bullish. And like, I can't tell you, like, Bitcoin has never had this much attention in all the previous bull runs. This bull run is special. And if I'm just telling you, it's like, this is not the time to be afraid. This is the best opportunity in my lifetime. I honestly feel like this is the best opportunity to ever to like invest in crypto. So I'm just letting you know, we gotta, if you have pain from your past, it's time to drop it and focus on now, okay? Because we got opportunities coming in, and we're just gonna have a constant good opportunity. And I'm gonna go ahead and tell you about the opportunities we have here. So I'm in, when I say opportunities, I don't just do Bitcoin and Ethereum. I do a lot of these alts, which is why I'm so happy and I'm so proud to be working with Gate, because they have a lot of altcoins. They have altcoins. They list it on their platform first before, for example, before Coinbase or before Binance, or I don't know. I can't even log on to Binance. Before another exchange gets it, Gate has it. And I can go over that in another time. So I hope you guys like this show. I'm actually really nervous about this, but if there was anything I appreciate all feedback, good or bad. I appreciate any feedbacks that you would like to give me. If this is the worst performance, then I can only say that I can only go higher, right? So if there's anything else you guys would like to see, or maybe you want me to help cover, just let me know, and I just drop it on to the comments. And thank you so much for tuning in to my show. I'm very excited to be here to help all new and advanced traders, to help bring you up to that next level and so forth. So thank you. You guys have a good day. Let's all be no monkey tacos. So don't be a monkey taco, and let's just go to the beach and sip some mojitos. So later, guys.